Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use GasBack on GasBuddy. So if you want to earn rewards or cashback on eligible fuel purchases, just follow along. First, open the GasBuddy app on your phone and sign into your account. And once you're logged in, tap on the cashback or reward section from the home screen. Here you'll find information about available GasBack offers, participating gas stations, and any promotions currently available on your account. Before fueling up, check that the station you're visiting is eligible for GasBack rewards. Some offers may only work at participating locations or require you to activate the offer before making your purchase. And if prompted, activate the GasBack offer directly in the app. Next, pay for your fuel using your linked GasBuddy pay card or another eligible payment method listed in the app. Make sure you follow any offer requirements such as minimum purchase amount or specific fuel grades if they're mentioned. After completing your purchase, your transaction will usually appear in your account. GasBack rewards may not show up immediately as they often require a short processing period before they're credited into your account. You can check the status of your rewards by returning to the GasBack section or viewing your account activity in the app. So that was how to use GasBack on GasBuddy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.